We are back from New Orleans, and I just finished checking some emails, and we are ready to get our Monday started. As you can see, I did another hair change because the hair I wore last week on a trip, I really like it. I like the color and everything, but the wig itself needs some reconstructing. So I'm gonna deconstruct it because this wig, like this is a V part as well, but this is like very flat to my scalp, so it's easier for me to have no leave out, etc. The other wig, the wefts are too thick in the front, and so if I try to leave no hair out, because my hair is not like ombre like that, like I think it matched okay, but sometimes my hair was like just a little too frizzy and noticeable. So I'm gonna make the wefts like seamless like this, and so to do that I have to cut it and then re-sew it together. So I had a project ahead of me. So in the meantime, I'll probably be wearing this wig this week, just calling it a day. But yes, New Orleans was very fun. I need to edit the vlog today so that I can get it up tomorrow. But all in all, I would rate New Orleans, food, city, ambiance, establishments. I would rate it a 7.5. What do you rate it?
It's a 9. New Orleans is my favorite city.
Yeah, he rates it a 9. He loves New Orleans. We're gonna work for a little bit, and then I think we're gonna have a pool day today. The weather's nice. We have a lot of errands to run. We need to go grocery shopping. He wants to get a bike, so we're gonna go look at some bikes. Yeah, so we're back home and back on the grinds, and welcome to another weekly vlog.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let him stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud since
We're looking for bikes for Q, because I already have one. Look at my helmet though. Safety first.
Oh, now you want to talk about safety?
I'm not getting it.
You haven't getting it.
No, I'm not. I just figured I'd try some on. Also trying to figure out when bikes became $348. Because when I got my bike, it was like 100 and something. It was not 350.
ain't going away. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. So right. Our romance to be, can't deny.
We're doing our second workout of the day. Taking a stroll for 45 minutes. We're 25 minutes in. So then we're gonna go home and start prepping dinner and lunch and breakfast for this upcoming week. I got this stepper. What is this even called? Yeah, It's a mini stepper from Instagram. Oh my God, from Amazon. Oh, and don't mind my hair. It looks crazy right now. But I got this mini stepper from Amazon so that on days I don't feel like going anywhere, or if I just want to get like a quick workout in or something, then I can stay at home and do it. Oh my God. And it's really small. Like, it comes with resistance bands. My sister ordered one first, and she trialed it for like 2 days. Said she loved it. and would recommend. And so I was sold. And as you can see, there is no putting together. Does have a tag. Let's see. Okay. This is the resistance bands that it came with, and you just clip it. It has clips in the front right here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it has clips right there. You can just attach it. Let's give it a demo. And let's see. Put this on here.
You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to. Keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. Get a kick from going out when you don't want me to. Knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. Why do we do the things we do? Yeah, you claim you don't mind it if I'm dancing with a stranger. So I do it to get on your nerves. Cause I know that you really hurt. So tell me, is it love, 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 love when you're provoking jealousy? Like you're always testing me. Tell me what that is, tell me what to fix. Cause baby, I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind.
Girl, you are not a dog. Get back in here.
I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do.
So I have been finding poo. Well, Q's been finding poo in here. Look at her little spot.
She's been in there with all the towels. This like cabinet doesn't like close all the way. So she'll like open it with her paw and like climb in there.
There's no way to keep her out of it. Don't mind the hair, but I just have the craziest animals. Like, don't understand. But I'm about to get on this call, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all after, and let y'all know what we're doing for the rest of the day.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Doing pretty good.
All right. I am quickly going to bring my stepper out. Hold on. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but okay, so this is my stepper. So I'm gonna do this for 45 minutes and finish watching my show on Netflix because I have a little bit of time before my next meeting, but like 45 minutes, you know, so I need to rush. Well, not really, but that's the beauty of this thing because I can just do it at home. Don't have to worry about like going anywhere.
So it's easy. I mean, am I gonna look a mess on the call? Yeah, but do I really have to show my face? Not really. So I think it'll be fine.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some
First stop on my list is to go to the UPS store so that I can return. I got some Apple bands, and actually, so I ordered one for us off of Amazon, and we didn't like them because they were too thick of a band. So I ordered another one yesterday, which actually, or like a couple days ago. So it should be here already. I haven't checked the mailbox, but it should be here. And I'm gonna take these back. The next stop on my list is to go to Kroger so I can pick up some breakfast things. Because my sister's coming over. I'm gonna make her breakfast, and then she's gonna put a relaxer in my hair. Y'all, the worst part about moving is that I had just found someone who I liked, just got a consistent person to do my relaxers, and now I don't have anyone here. And I've had like different experiences with like hairstylists around the city, just on like trims, and I was not impressed. So, you know, if I don't like the way someone trims my hair, I definitely am not gonna let them put a relaxer in my hair. So, I don't know. For right now, I'll just have my sister do it, and then we'll see. I'm gonna do a quick haul because my sister's on her way. So I got a sparkling blush wine to have with our breakfast. I'm just gonna pop this in the freezer. I made the decision to not drink for the month of June. So we have not been drinking. Well, my boyfriend and I. And then I got sesame oil, some vegetable spray, cat liners, Chinese lo mein noodles. I've been loving this for stir fry, especially with like the sesame oil. And then I have eggs, and that's pretty much everything that we needed.
You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
Okay, my sister just left. I went swimming. I went swimming. What else did I do? Got my hair done. It looks crazy right now, but I'm not doing anything. I am about to shave my cats because they have hella hair and it gets everywhere, and I don't like it. So, sister shaved her cat, and with these clippers, because these clippers are like quiet, so they're not scared of them. So I'm about to give it a try. Wish me luck. I'm gonna do Pooh first because she's more calm. Harley is too rowdy for this, so wish me luck. All right, the clippers actually ended up dying. And I'm almost done with Pooh, but she needed a break. So I did a little bit on Harley, but then the clippers died. So I am just going to do my stepper while the clippers charge, just to kill some time because I need to do those anyway. Look at her. Hey, girl.
My girl.
Sunday, but before I end this vlog, I do want to show y'all the cats because I didn't show y'all yesterday. Now, they did not consent to this, so I'm just telling y'all now. Come here, Fib. Okay, this was my vision. I left the head, I left their paws, and then I just shaved their bodies. Look, this is Harley. See, Harley's the same. No cats were harmed in the shaving. But yeah, they don't know the difference. And I think next time I'm not gonna shave them bald, but I did want to see what it looks like. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of fur, but I don't know because the point of even shaving them is so they won't shed. So I might just have some bald cats around here. I'm not sure. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.